everyone. My name is Calley Bliss, and I hope that you will join us on Friday, October 1st for a brand new series here at Yoga Sanctuary Minneapolis called Friday Night Healing Sessions. The first one is going to be about breath and sound with yours truly. We're going to be practicing here in the sanctuary at Solomon's Porch, and we're going to be playing with yoga asana poses to warm up our breath as a way to facilitate a resonant sound in the body. So the idea behind this is playing with the expansion of the breath, the expansion of the musculature in the body, so that we have a calm channel between our thoughts so that we can speak truthfully and with the support of a really nice, calm, grounded, warmed up, resonant body. Hope you can join us.